Grabe, speechless guys. Kakarating lang. Kakarating lang namin dito sa Manila. And we didn't expect to get this award. And we are very thankful sa mga tao na nakasuporta sa amin all the way from Cebu. We would like to thank Hits. This is all for you guys, especially to our families and nasa aming bahay sa Cebu. And if you're seeing this, mga parents namin, this is all for you guys. And we would like to thank also Lord God. Thank you so much for granting this opportunity and this gift for us. Oh my God. And we would like to thank our management, Rising Harmony, for for taking care of us. And ano pa ba guys, speechless na mixed emotion.
I want to thank God also. It's by His grace. Everything is because of Him, and okay lang. I wanted to thank all the people that been inspiring us, and we're gonna keep on going, and hopefully soon. Hindi namin in-expect na we're here.
Translator guys. No-joke lang guys. It's me, Zara from Lasno, and I just wanna say galing ba kami ng Cebu, and alam niyo naman ano nangyari sa Cebu lately, typhoons, and actually isa sa leader namin it's okay. Isa sa leader namin si Aaron. Currently, his father, yung father niya nag-pass away dahil sa typhoon na yan. And sobrang maraming salamat guys, kasi malaking opportunity to guys para sa kanya, para sa amin. Hindi namin in-expect na may award kami dito. Okay na sana na nandito lang kami, nakapag-perform. Dinala namin yung Cebu Pride dito sa Manila kasi kami lang yung kaisa-isang Cebu P-pop doon. Kami lang yung kaisa-isang Cebuano P-pop doon. And we are very much grateful guys and to be invited here. And ako maingon na dyan sa mga kasabot dire o Bisaya. Ako maingon na dyan. Barugi! And I just wanna na-open up na maganda sa'yo. Gusto ko lang sabihin, guys, na if you're one of those affected sa Bagyong Tina, if you have families also on Cebu, and to those people who are affected in typhoon, please keep on going and always pursue your passion, your career, or anything you want to do in your life, because you're the story of your own story. We bring colors in our own journey, and I would like to dedicate this award sa akong dada, akong father. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
To present the Award for Cultural Excellence Award is an official from the government agency in the Philippines responsible for the preservation, development, and promotion of Philippine arts and culture, the NCCA, or the National Commission for Culture and the Arts. He is the Chief Administrative Officer of the Metropolitan Theater Operations Division. Please welcome Mr. Christian John.